If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know you clap your hand. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hand. Okay, good morning K3. Welcome back with teacher Saruon again. Today is Friday of 28 August 2020. How have you been, everyone? Yeah, you can say I'm fine, or you can say I'm good, or I'm great. Okay, and for me it's good. Thank you. Now let's start to our lesson. It's time to learn about math. Yeah, before we start the lesson, we will reduce about color together, so you can learn to say. Here we call green banana. Yeah. Do you know here we say banana? Yeah. Banana. Green banana. Yellow banana. Green banana. Yellow banana. Okay. So the next here, watermelon, we say red. The watermelon is red. Here called red. Red. How about this color? The flower is yellow. Okay. The flower is yellow. The leaf is green. Okay. Here we call leaf. What color is it? It's green. The leaf is green. Yeah, that's right. So after color, we will learn to compare with other things that we used to learn. Kids, look at the ball. I have two balls, 1 and 2. So they are different. So here we say big, big, small, small, big, small. Everyone? Big, small. Good. So the next comparative here, 3 fruit, big, bigger, and bigger. Big, bigger, and bigger. Okay. Now everyone, please look at the whiteboard. Teacher has caterpillar 3. So today we will learn with the word long. Okay. Here you can say long, long, long. And the next caterpillar, this one we call longer, longer, longer. And the last caterpillar we call longest, longest, longest. Listen again. Long, longer, longer. Long, longer, longer. Okay? Okay, now the next word that we want to learn today, we will learn with here. Look at, I have 2 boys. So this boy is saying tall, tall. And that one we call short, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short. Okay, here we call tall, short. Okay, very good everyone. So our lesson today, we learn about long, longer, and longest, tall and short. So everyone, this is our worksheet that teacher wants you to take. The longest. Yeah. So which one that you think is longest, please check in the box. Which one is longest, check in the box. Right? Everyone? Yeah. And the other one, it's okay, you can color the for short animal, okay? Which one is short, you can color which one that is seeing it's sharp, you can color. Okay, thank you kids for watching this video. See you next week. Good luck everyone. Goodbye.